Welcome to the ELECTRO-MASTER YouTube channel. In this video, I will present the most efficient and reliable antivirus software, which is Zemana AntiMalware. With this software, I was able to remove viruses that were difficult to find with other software such as Nod32, Bitdefender, and Kaspersky. Let's see how to download and install this software. We will download the software from the official website zemana.com. We will click the Download Free Demo button. Run the installation executable and install the program in any partition you want. It has a simple interface that can be easily accessed and understood. As can be seen, a problem has been found. We have the option to transfer it to quarantine or to delete it from the PC. Now the PC is safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you for watching.